Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are trying a lock bob. This isn't the first time I've had a lock bob. I actually had one for the first time for my birthday back in August. My loctician did it for me and I loved it, so I was like, dang, I really want to do it again because I'm about to go on a work trip. But anyway, the first thing I'm doing is sectioning off my hair. And you guys are going to see the first time I do this, I basically section off a bunch and I'm retwisting them and clipping them and leaving them there, and then I'm going back and twisting them. However, after I do that back row, I realize that isn't the fastest or efficient way to do it. So what I do is I actually start retwisting my hair. And while I'm retwisting every two strands, I'm twisting them together and then doing the lock knot at the bottom. Now, one tip that I really want to give about the lock bob for girls who have uneven hair just like me is that it is fine. There's a lot of times you guys are going to see in this video that I'm two-strand twisting two pieces of hair where one piece is much longer than the other, and that's completely fine. You just retwist it as far down as you can, and then you take the longer piece and you just wrap it up and do basically a little bantu knot, lock knot with that one strand. And the name of the game for this to really get it to the length that you want is to, fold it in half if your locks are longer, and sometimes you're even going to need to go a little higher than that to really get that bob depending on what type of length you're going for. And as y'all can see, I definitely struggle a little bit while I'm doing this. I knock out my AirPod. I do all types of stuff because it's not the hardest thing to do, but it's a little, it's a little difficult. It takes a little second, but I promise you, once you get the groove of retwisting up, you're going to get it and you're going to start moving really fast. In total, and I washed my hair right beforehand, it took me about 4 hours, and I also sit under the dryer too for about 15 to 20 minutes afterwards. But this is a really cute style and I hope to keep this in for at least 2 to 3 weeks. But yeah, you guys enjoy this it's not really a tutorial since it's the first time doing it, but you guys seeing me try this really cool style. And you guys, I definitely put on the glasses because I was doing this at night, took out the contacts, and I was definitely really tired while I was retwisting it. But yeah, I hope you guys love this. And while you're here, if you're a returning subscriber, of course, thank you for being here. Even a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here and watching my videos. If you like it, please leave comments, keep subscribing. And I just want to say I'm also super thankful for all the lock babies and lock women and men who are in the comments giving me suggestions too, because look, we're all in this community together, learning what's best for our locks. So I appreciate that too. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video.
I feel so lonely and lost in here. I need to find my way home. I feel so lonely and lost in here.